What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I chose the apartment with this pool right here. Before we get into this video though, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, hit that notifications bell, and hit that like button if you're excited for this $285 Da Nang apartment tour. So yeah, this pool was my highlight of this option on the market for me. Today's been a gloomy day, but nonetheless, this view is inspiring at all times. And yeah, my gut feels like this place will be fruitful for me, documenting my life here. So let's get started with that, man. But yeah, check out Da Nang. The pool goes a little bit deeper on this end of it. And yeah, I can't wait to spend days inside of it. But yeah, these are the beginning vibes of my new apartment. Let's go inside of it now, man. This is my new apartment. So yeah, this place costs $285 per month. If I would have stayed at the last place, my rent would have been $305 per month officially with no pool. So I signed a 5-month contract for this place. The security deposit was one additional $285. So I paid $285 times 2 total to get my key. And yeah, this place has honestly more square footage than my last place for myself. So I'm gonna feel more space here. It has a built-in desk. Yeah, I found this place on Facebook Marketplace. So the people that are wondering how to get places in Da Nang, my suggestion is Facebook Marketplace. But if you guys are looking for any type of Da Nang master plan, you can do consulting with me down below in the description, or you can join my Benders Patreon community down below in the description, where you can ask me anything at any time. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Let me show y'all this place now. All right, so when you first walk into my place, we have the TV. You have this view of how big the square footage is. Then you got the bed, the desk view, and the fridge and kitchen are tucked over there in the deepest corner. So yeah, this TV is Sharp brand. It's a smart TV, so it has YouTube built into it. And that's pretty much all I need. Other than that, I can connect my MacBook to my TV using an HDMI. So that's my entertainment setup. Moving on to my closet now. This is it. I have this row for hanging. I have one shelf that I have my jewelry on so far. I have another shelf. I'll put my folded clothes there at all times. And then at this bottom shelf, I have my hats sitting there. So yeah, moving on to my kitchen now. I have this marble countertop plate right here, which I love, black marble. I have this dish hanging rack that I love. It can contract in more or expand out more. I have some seasonings right here, garlic powder and Himalayan pink salt. Then I have my blender right here. The building provided me this. I have one induction hot plate right here. So I can cook one thing at a time here. Yeah, that's my kitchen. Then lastly, I will show y'all the fridge. My freezer is clean and empty. And then my fridge is also clean and empty. The only thing I have in it so far is ketchup. The building also provided me a couple more dishes right here and this electric kettle. So I can't wait to use a kettle for the first time. The next thing I have is this dining table right here. It comes with one chair. It's clean see-through glass. And then it has a holder in the middle of the framework right here that I could sit a couple things in, maybe like table salt, pepper. So yeah, for the first time in Da Nang, I have a separate desk from my dining table. So let me show y'all my desk now. So yeah, here is my desk, y'all. It has this artwork hovering over it. I like this artwork. My MacBook is right here. I got my speakers set up. I got my interface and recording microphone set up. Comes with this chair. This chair has back support, armrests too. I didn't have armrests at the desk at my last apartment, so I'm liking that. It also has a built-in cord management hole inside of it. So I get to have a little extra cord management too. So I appreciate the details of this desk. I'm going to edit all of my YouTube videos here, and I'm going to make more music here. So this is going to be the hub of my house where I make my money at. Next, I have my view corner. My AC unit is right here. And then I have one view. This view does not open, and me and my neighbor can kind of see each other, so I won't take advantage of it all the time, but it does give me some lighting. This view right here does open. I got this knob panel, I can push it out, but all this view gives me is a look at my air conditioning. The good thing though is that I can get some ventilation by opening this one. I also can open this one, so one push out window right here, and then another push out window in that corner. If you're traveling the world though, guys, and don't already have travel insurance, my recommendation for you guys would be Safety Wing. They're linked down below in the description. You guys can shop with them. They have great prices. I use them as well personally. It's very smart for nomads like myself who are planning on being abroad for a long time to protect themselves. So the link is down below if you guys want to protect yourselves with Safety Wing as well. All right, so let me show y'all my bathroom now. I have this sink right here, nice water pressure, got my hand soap, mirror, normal toilet with a sprayer, and then I have like my hairbrush over here in this corner, and lotion and deodorant, my toothbrushes and toothpaste right there. It does have a door that can close. So yeah, pretty normal sink area. Let me show y'all the shower area now. So yeah, this is my shower area. I got my towel hanging rack right here. I like this shower because it has a built-in storage rack for soaps, and then also this rain hair right here, as well as this wand right here. So 2 different spray settings. You can get an extra good clean with these 2 different types of rinse options. I love that. And then also I have this ceiling window that I can open up for extra ventilation. So it doesn't have to get too steamy in here. And I also got 2 different spray head options. I like this bathroom. And then what this is right here, y'all, is the water heater. So this blue light right here just says that it's ready. So it's ready to go for me to take a shower. The last thing that I might not have mentioned to y'all was that right there being my laundry basket. So yeah, I throw my laundry into that. It slides right under the sink. So space management is pretty good inside of this apartment. All right, onto my bedroom area now. This bed is like half foam, half springs. It's comfortable enough for me. The sheets that they provided me are like silk material, so they feel great. And I brought this brown throw blanket myself from my last place. And yeah, I think the bed is a queen size, but it's enough. It's enough. I'm happy with the bed. Yeah. Also, I have these 3 laundry machines at my disposal for doing laundry. They're right on the top floor with the pool. So yeah, this is my laundry system. And then we can hang dry our things right out here on the rooftop as well. I'll utilize this sometimes, and other times I'll just utilize a laundromat that does everything for me. I have 2 options though, and this is enough options for me. And then one more thing that I want to mention about this place is the lighting system. I have this rectangular light that has its own switch. This side of my unit's lighting, which has its own switch. And then I have the TV side of my unit's lighting, which has its own switch. And I can control every switch from my bedside wall. So that's a convenient luxury for me. I don't even have to get up to turn lights on or off. So I like that detail. So that was my new place in Da Nang. This is a $285 per month apartment. That is cheaper than some shoes. That is cheaper than some car insurances. That is cheaper than some car bills in other countries, right? So comment down below how y'all feel about the value of this place, and I'll reply to y'all about that. But yeah, my consulting is down below in the description. And my Benders Patreon community is down below in the description. I appreciate y'all watching, man. Internet money is the reason why I'm able to live here in Da Nang without clocking in to a shift in America. So I appreciate y'all so much for helping me with this internet source of income. And yeah, hit that like button for me if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button for me if you're new to this channel. And hit that notifications bell so you don't miss when I post. Buy into your dreams, y'all. Stay confident and stay consistent. And I will see y'all soon in the next one. Peace.